Martin Lappin here for Alternative Heating Solutions, and it is a bit breezy today, so we're going to get the door open on this beast before the wind starts messing with my video. We have here a C500, and if your stove uses the solenoids on the damper, you know what I'm talking about. Unfortunately, the QC on the imported solenoids is horrible. I've serviced a few other brands for people that use the solenoid, and I told them, don't get a spare, get two, because the first one may not last very long. So we've done away with them. Now you got the spring return damper, like somewhat like the G's use. Spring loaded, so it closes on its own. If you lose power, it'll shut itself. Then I also see the C's no longer have the coal timer. Instead, they got that cute little, you can get in there. This has got a hole in it. Move it up a little bit, then the hole's open, and that's probably what keeps your coal going. You can adjust that. On wood, I got it so there's no air getting through it, as that usually stays lit on its own pretty well. So yeah, no more solenoids. If you have an older C and you still have the solenoids, there is an update available too to get rid of it. Go with this damper motor on, and you can still adjust just how far it opens. You can see that it's closed, but it's not to zero. So you would like have it all the way open, then you can adjust how far the damper opens. This has been Martin Lappin with Alternative Heating Solutions. If you find the videos the least bit helpful, please subscribe to our channel. And as always, if women don't find you handsome, at least they can find you handy.